Loncin, professional low-carbon packaged power products and services supplier. Loncin started from producing motorcycle engine in 1993, now becomes the large manufacturing enterprise, integrated with three major products: motorcycle, motorcycle engine, and general power mechanical products. Loncin successfully got itself listed on China Asia market by August 10, 2012. After listed in SSE, Loncin has entering the new developing stage with clearer and more transparent legal person management structure. The target of the operating and managing team is in line with that of the company, focusing more on the sustainable development of the company. Loncin pursues the strategic direction of becoming the leading enterprise of low-carbon packaged power products, researches and meets the consumer's needs. Based on technology, the company aims to build the technical Loncin, highlight the low-carbon technical advantages of low emission and low fuel consumption, and provide the high-performance solutions for end products. The company set up the 3+3 business developing direction, maintaining the leading advantages of the three large main businesses, at the same time hatching and developing the three emerging businesses to realize the transferring and upgrading at the same time. Loncin has the National Enterprise R&D Center and state-recognized testing laboratory, has formed the international R&D team consisting of more than 450 academic leaders, foreign experts and senior engineers. It has independent capability from project planning to product realization, and the patents that the company has is ranking at the top of the industry. CAE technology uses the digital simulation analysis method to optimize the technical solutions and shorten the development cycle, which provide the core technology supports for the positive product design. The achievements gained from the areas such as engine performance, fuel consumption, driving comfortability, and lightweight design, etc., can be compared with that of the global leaders. Motorcycle engine is dedicated to become the first choice engine brand recognized by the end consumer, ranking in the forefront of the sport street motorcycle, medium displacement sports street motorcycle, recreational riding motorcycle, etc. The product structures of Loncin is optimizing constantly, and the profitability is stably going up. The motorcycle business built up a huge customer basis as a result of the early development on foreign markets. At present, there are 89 Loncin overseas customers, spreading over more than 60 countries and regions, such as Asia, Latin America, Africa, etc.